Hi, welcome to Yard GrowingSA. In today's video is a sow to germinate video, and today's seed is chamomile. And these seeds are so small, but let's get to it. So I'm going to be planting a few in the cocoa pea and put some on the paper towel. Okay, so I'm not going to put any on the paper towel because see how small are these seeds. So I'm just going to leave them in here because what I wanted to do is when it's in the paper towel, then you could see when it germinate how the flowers look and how it look, but this is not going to get closed anyways, so you will see everything. So on that note, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Day 2, I see some of them to germinate already. Can you see over there some is getting the green leaves, and most of them is germinated by now, and the roots are coming out now. As you can see, you didn't need to throw them, didn't need to bury them, so it is fine. Day 3. So it's day 3 and many of the chamomile has germinated and so many of them are showing their leaves already. I'll see you guys tomorrow to see if the rest of them has germinated. Day 5, the chamomile. So the chamomile is fully germinated. So chamomile takes 4 to 5 days to germinate. So yeah, there we go. So I'm just gonna let this grow bigger and then I'm gonna replant them all. So if you enjoyed what you saw, can at least get 50 likes. And if you'd like to see more of this type of videos, you can comment down below what type of seeds you'd like to see next. And if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. And if you'd like to help the channel out, you can donate down below with super thanks and becoming a member. Thank you for watching. Backyard out.